Today we're going to go to Macau. It's been a long time since we went there, and there's a lot of cool stuff that we didn't see yet. So yeah, Macau has been colonized by Portugal before. They have a lot of Portuguese stuff like egg tarts, so we're gonna try that. It's gonna be really cool, guys, trust. You already said everything. You already said everything.
Hello!
Morning!
Mamamasyal kami.
Yeah, just a weekend staycation sa Macau. Nakalimutan na daw ni Nakambal ang Macau. So, we'll visit and Carlo will take a photos.
Take some photography there.
Take a walk.
Bali,
Just, relax.
dito kami ngayon sa Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Port. Doon kami sasakay sa bus going to Macau. Meron kasing dalawang way papunta sa Macau. One is ferry in Xiongwan and also in Tsim Sha Tsui, and the other way is here, bus, by bus.
Passing through the Zhuhai Macau Bridge.
I think many people already know this dahil ito na yung madalas gamitin ngayon papunta sa Macau. Una, mas cheaper ang fare, mas cheaper ang pamasahe.
At the same time, mabilis.
At the same time is okay naman din kasi nakaupo ka sa malaking bus. Aircon, portable, kaya okay din siya. So,
Mga taong may mga fear sa water or sa boat, so they can take the bus.
Sasakay na kami ng bus. So pwede ka ding mamili ng bus kung ayaw mo sumakay dun sa una, sabihin mo doon ka na lang sa susunod, then you stop dito sa linya o mag-aabang ka para sa next bus. It's okay, like this. Travel time mga 45 minutes, so 1 hour kasi ang biyahe mismo is around 45. Then when you disembark papunta sa immigration, then it's about 1 hour the total time. Hi. Dito na kami ngayon sa Macau. Kaya ng estimated time natin, mga 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour ang travel time. Ang check-in time pa naman sa hotel namin is 3 p.m. So maaga pa kami. Almost 10:30 a.m. pa lang ng umaga, kaya maglalakad muna kami sa iba-ibang part ng Macau. It's okay kasi light lang naman dala namin. One bag kay Charlie Ivan, tsaka isang bag din kay Amy. This is the port dito sa Macau side. Then lalabas muna kami ng immigration. Okay. Na kami sa immigration at nasa labas na kami ng port dito sa Macau at papunta na kami sa area ng malapit sa hotel namin. Saan tayo? So, magbabas kami papunta doon. Maraming bus dito, especially yung mga tourist bus. So, pag pupunta kayo dito, pwede kayong sumakay ng bus. Kung ano yung hotel ninyo, meron sila dito. So, sasakay lang kayo doon, then inahatid na kayo sa hotel. So, hindi kayo mahihirapan mag transport papunta sa hotel ninyo. Kami pa nga public bus kami because we want to try. How much?
So we're going to Palawan to take some photos and have our lunch in Palawan. Mag-take kami ng public bus number 102 and then we'll alight in Chunlay Garden and take bus number 25 or 26.
Again. We're in the bus now. We're about to go to Chunlai Garden, so we can change to another bus.
As a form of resistance, take a cue from those who know what they've been here before. To fight through to find the truth.
Chad,
We're going to Kolaan now.
Kalawan.
Kolaan?
We're in bus number 25. It's full. So we're standing.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
I checked. It's already 12:40.
So we're hungry.
Gutom na kami. Punta kami sa restaurant. Portuguese restaurant sa Kalawan. Ay, nakababa na kami. Ang dami ring bus stop. So matagal pagka nag-bus dito sa area ng from port going dito sa Kalawan. Medyo matagal. Maraming bus stop. It's okay for experience. Pero kung gusto niyo na mas komportable, then you take Uber or taxi. Mas mabilis.
No, we buy that when we go to our...
Dito yung original na egg tart. Nagawaan ng egg tart dito sa Macau. It's right here. Pero mamaya na kami bibili dyan. Mag-lunch muna kami. So, para medyo gutom na kami. Yeah, daing tao.
I thought you already had one.
Yeah, but it's here.
Do you hear
So
that?
we're here in restaurant
It isn't.
Espacio Lisboa. It's just a few steps away from the Lord's Toe Bakery. So naghanap kami ng pinakamalapit na Portuguese restaurant. So this restaurant is 25 years already. So, yan, malapit lang siya dito sa Lord's Toe.
Make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short. wasted, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree inside.
Hi. So, pinaakyat kami dito sa second floor nung restaurante Espacio Lisboa. So, it's very cozy. Akala mo talagang nasa Portugal ka yung setup niya. So, yan, you can see yung kanina yung sinerve sa aming food, yung fish. Yun yung gamit na casserole. Ang cute. I'll take the toilet. Hi, so tapos na kaming kumain sa Portuguese restaurant. 10 out of 10 as per Chad and Ivan. Very delicious yung restaurant na nakita namin. So, ang chef is Filipino for 40 years in Macau.
Very good yung food.
Very good. Good food. Delicious food. And now, syempre, hindi kami babalik sa Macau because we're now in Caloocan. And hindi kami babalik sa Macau kung wala ang famous egg tart. So ito yung pinaka bakery talaga ng egg tart dito sa Macau, dito sa Caloocan. So we don't have time to go to Venetian to buy the egg tart. So here, fresh from the oven. So let's go.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if it's...
So yan, nakabili na kami na Lord's to. Ang bilis lang, walang mahabang pila unlike sa Venetian. So I bought 12 pieces, 6 pieces we will eat in the hotel, and then the other one we'll bring it home in Hong Kong. Yay! So now, andito kami sa taxi, nag-Uber na kami kasi matagal yung bus, and tinry kaming tulungan ng mga Pilipino na i-book kami ng taxi, but unfortunately walang mabook. I think mas prefer ng mga taxi yung talagang you will book them through Uber. So yeah, from Caloocan we're going to Macau, we're going to Crown Plaza, we're going to stay for tonight, and papahinga lang kami sandali, ibaba namin yung aming mga gamit, then we'll start to walk sa Macau na, no? So hopefully Carlo can get a beautiful shot of Macau again. So this is it.
Hey everyone, this is our room tour. This is our bedroom. We have separate beds, and also, if you open the curtain here, there's just an ocean view, which is really nice. We also have a TV, but it's not really that good. And finally, we have a toilet. It looks very cool.
A few moments later.
Cool, Escola, Luso, Chinesa, Technical Professional. So, Technical Professional. Hello guys! So, ayan, nag-take kami ng nap. Nakapagpahinga ng konti. And now, maglalakad-lakad kami sa Macau. Bukas tayo pa. Ngayon, lakad-lakad lang from our hotel. Mag-relax lang, lakad. So, explore pa rin. So, although nakapunta na rin kami sa Macau for several times, but it's good to go back once in a while and And yeah, mas yeah, it's like
Sorry,
Hong
maybe
Kong,
let's
but
go.
less crowd.
Um,
So, yan. Ikot-ikot,
Maybe let's go there.
lakad-lakad. So, and we'll find a good dinner later. But, we'll see what can we find along our way. Yeah. The temperature right now is 37 degrees. Mainit. But it's good to have an exercise. Walk lang. 6:57. So, medyo may konting liwanag pa.
Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short. Let's not waste it.
So, we're now here in front of Wynn Hotel and Resort. And we're going to watch the fountain show. So on weekends, it plays every 20 minutes. One more song, please. Hello guys. So, ito na. Nakarating na rin kami sa hotel after naming maglakad ng 7, 8, 9, 3 hours. Naglakad kami mula dito sa hotel namin sa Crown Plaza going to Wynn. So, nakailang steps kami today. 15,000 steps, no? So, gutom na gutom kami ngayon. Napagod. Para kami naglakad sa labas ng nasa sauna sa sobrang init. But, fortunately, may 24-hour food service yung hotel. So, we'll just take a light meal. Light meal daw. So, ang order ng lahat is yung famous na Macau pork bun. So, yun lang. And because tomorrow we'll have a heavy buffet breakfast. No. So, yan. We have a sea view here. Malapit lang kami sa Macau Port Terminal. Yeah. So, tahimik lang dito. And the hotel is nice, spacious, and hindi ganun ka sakit sa mata yung dami ng tao. Tama lang. It's beautiful. So, separate kami ng room ni Nakambal. Malalaki na sila. And we can't fit in one room. So, they need to be responsible. Now, so i-check ko na lang sila mamaya. But they'll go here for us to have our dinner.
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feels so young. Every single moment has led up to this.
The next day.
Hi, good morning. So, we're having a breakfast buffet right now. And there's a lot of options, but the food mostly is Western and Chinese. So, the basic ones, the pancakes, waffles, bread, cereals. They have milk, they have eggs, bacon. They have dumplings for the Chinese cuisine, noodles, lots of bread. So the basic ones, but it's okay. The breakfast buffet is from 6:30 to 10:30, so we just get in around 8:30. So the boys are enjoying the food right now. So Carlo, I requested to have some congee. Medyo busog pa rin ako kasi inom ako na inom ng tubig sa init. Today is Sunday, so we go to church in Our Lady of Fatima here in Macau. So don't forget to always attend Mass on Sundays. Give thanks. So, yan. I'm still hoping that I can find the Portuguese terracotta cooking pots. So, magtatanong-tanong ako sa mga kabayan mamaya kung saan ako makakita talaga. Kasi nakita ko na siya dati sa isang tindahan, but nasa bus kami that time, so hindi ko siya nakita. So, hopefully, masagot ako ng mga kababayan natin dito na talagang mababait at very hospitable sa kanilang excellent service sa mga turista na bumibisita sa Macau.
When my desire, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you ever run for so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign. We should do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, baby. And let's do tonight again.
We just finished our light snack sa Jollibee Macau. Prior to that, nagsimba muna kami sa Our Lady of Fatima sa Macau side. But now, because I keep on asking where can I buy this Portuguese terracotta pots, no, sa mga plates, mga bowls, casseroles, and someone from the church told us that it is in Taipa because tinanong ko rin doon sa staff ng hotel, sabi na dito nga daw sa area na yon, and nabanggit sa akin yung name ng store, but I keep on insisting it's in Macau. But fortunately I found it with the help of this kababayan natin from the church. So sinamahan niya kami, and nakita ko dun yung hinahanap ko. Ay, thank you Lord. So babalik kami dun later on kasi pupunta muna kami ngayon sa Taipa Village. So naglalakad kami, I think we are 12 minutes away from Taipa Village, and then balik ulit kami dun sa store later para mamili nung ilang terracotta dinnerwares. So let's see, pakita ko sa inyo later. I'm so happy because when we're in Valencia, Portugal last year, I want to buy those dinnerwares. Unfortunately, hindi ko siya kayang bitbitin dahil nga we're on our pilgrimage. But now, I don't need to order from Portugal, but I'm here in Macau. Since Macau was colonized by Portugal, so meron sila dito. So yeah, mamaya babalikan namin. So andito kami ngayon sa, I think this is the stadium. So lakad lang kami, mainit pa rin, no? Mainit, but it's good to burn some fats. Okay, so see you later.
When my desire, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you ever run for so
Balik na kami dun sa shop na merong terracotta pots.
A good find. A good find.
So hindi muna kami bumili dahil pupunta muna kami kasi dito para wala kaming bitbit. Pero ngayon, uuwi na kami, babalik na kami ng Hong Kong. Kaya dadaan na kami doon sa Portuguese terracotta pot shop para hindi mabigat. Sobrang daing tao.
So we're here nga pala sa Rua de Cunha or Cunha Street. They call it as the Nirvana of Macau.
Or this is they call it a Taipa Old Village. Maraming tao.
I think Shake Shack. This one, oh. Mura lang pala.
You have that cold water.
Maybe they have. You ask them. Ay. So this is a good find. Finally, I found this terracotta casserole, and you know, you see this one. This is asador chorizo. They cook their chorizo here. There's some, I think, far at the bottom, and then you cook the chorizo here. And they have different kinds of serving trays made from terracotta. So I remember I saw this in Valencia, Portugal, but we cannot carry it because we're in a pilgrimage. And then Barcelos, it says here this came from Barcelos, Portugal. So we didn't pass in Barcelos that time because it's out of our way. But I remember I saw they have this day na puro ganito yung tinda nila, like a flea market. But due to our itinerary and tight schedule, we cannot go to Barcelos. But now I found it finally in Macau. Also this one, you see this one, this, wow, it's so hard, this, and you can see, it's so hard. You see this, you see, Fayo Bidos, Portugal. So Portugal is very famous kasi in making ceramics din eh. That's why in some of their stations you will also the tiles. May tawag dun but I forgot. But they are very good in making ceramics. So you see, I found it here. Yeah, this is the symbol of Barcelos, the rooster. Yeah. So I want to buy this as well, but let me see. I know already how to go there. We were able to trace it from Taipa. We walk and then we found it. We know the way, so we can come back anytime. But we're going to pick only the main ones that we need. Yung talagang kailangan lang, then later on. Look at this vase. Wow. Ano yung nilalagay nila dito? I think sangria. Sangria, I heard from the dun sa nagsaserve dun sa Portuguese restaurant. Okay, so now let's choose which one to bring home. Yes. Portugal. What a good find.
Hello.
Hi. So nandito na kami sa bus stop 102 going to the
Hong Kong Macau Bridge Port.
Yes, going to the port. We're going back now to Hong Kong.
Pauwi na kami. Ito, nakabili na kami nung terracotta pot.
Yes.
So, ayun, uwi na kami. So, thank you sa pagsama sa amin. See you
Over the
next
weekend,
vlog.
Staycation in Macau.
Okay, bye-bye. Ayun si Chad, oh.